Good evening, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, that's great. So my screen is visible to you all, and am I audible? Yeah, please give me your confirmation so that we can just go ahead. Yeah, that's great. Good morning once again to each and everyone, and warm welcome to you all. Thanks a lot. So hope you all are fresh enough for today's session. Yes, that's great. Still people are joining. Few of them are still left to join. But anyways, we'll start. Today's it's just a welcome session. It's warm-up session, right? Yes. Yeah, once again, good evening, good morning to everyone. I'm actually very pleased to share you all that we had already completed 3 batch as of now and just completed third one, and we have got very encouraging feedbacks, and all of them are had wonderful learnings and are now doing exceptionally well in their trading also. And so I hope to repeat same type of success with the batch 4 as well. So are you people ready for that? Yes, we are starting smooth ride of success, and I want that confirmation from all of you. Definitely your dedication is going to give results, right? That's wonderful. I'm getting wonderful answers from each and everyone. So all have the same spirit. That's great. Okay, so let's just before going ahead, I'll just quickly introduce myself to you people, and then we'll go to today's agenda. Yeah, I'll just minimize the windows. Yes. If you people have any problem in my voice, or if I'm not audible, please let me know. Okay. So myself, Hiral Shah, I am from Mumbai. I have done my Bachelor in Science and MBA. I am a passionate teacher with over half a decade of teaching experience at various management institutes. I had and I was following markets since over a decade. But I became very active only after the power of technical analysis caught my fancy. Actually, I was just in awe of it. I myself traded in equity, FNO, currency, and eventually commodities where I found my sweet spot. Yeah, definitely. I believe that technicals works amazingly where the volumes and the participations are high, right? And as commodity contracts, say by for energy, metals are internationally linked, and the prices move in tandem with international markets, and hence the participation volumes are globally accounted. So for that reason, technicals work nearly to perfect. Means it works amazingly. It gives amazing results. If we set our eyes to read the charts, if we can talk with charts, if we can get a right idea from the charts, I think we get 100% results in commodities. It gives us a perfect entry, exit, and everything. That's what we are going to study in this 21 days, right? Yeah, and I had done a lot of research and back testing and have gained my proficiency in it. And as teaching was always my passion, I would like to transfer my knowledge to you people in a way that you all become confident commodity traders. I expect this from you all. So are you all ready for the same? That's great. Wonderful. Yeah, I want this sort of feedback from you all. Exactly. Even I am excited to start our session from Monday. It's just a welcome class today. And one more thing I would like to tell you all, that I don't want, means whatever I'm going to impart you, whatever learnings we are going to have, or whatever knowledge I'm going to impart you will be definitely used for any instrument you trade, wherever, whatever script you may select. Yeah, not only commodities, any script. And now before moving any further, I would like to see that same like you people, batch 2, batch 3 is also, batch 1, 2 and 3 are also close group of like-minded people, and all are desiring to master technicals as well as commodities, right? All of you might be from different backgrounds, different locations, and different expertise levels. Yeah, some of you. So I'll just request you people to share from where you are, what you are, and the group itself. And again, before going ahead, I want to know how many of you are already experienced in trading commodities? Any one of you are experienced ones? That's wonderful, Girish sir. You trade only commodities. Great. Okay. Not even a single trade in commodity. That's fine, Mit sir. Okay, Milind sir. Oh, okay. So this is the story which I have received from many of my students. Girish sir, what you are telling, I can relate with plenty of others. Everybody who comes over here has some sort of story that they tried their best, but unfortunately, their adventure turned into loss, right? That's great, Girish sir. Means even Girish sir, what you are expecting, I hope that you get more than that. And definitely you will be in profit soon. I'm just crossing my fingers. Yeah, before coming to your point, if not commodities, most of you people would already be trading in equities, right? Yes. So I think almost all of you are trading in equities. That's true. Okay. See, most of us from batch 15, okay, that's fine. So the thing is that it is easy to learn, but very difficult to unlearn and learn. So I generally prefer blank people. They are like wet clay. They can be easily molded to create a perfect structure, right? And I think many of our batchmates are the same. Say by Meet, Sir, then yeah, many are fresher, right? So that is an advantage. Again, having said so that it is a better to have a blank slate or a wet clay, it is perfectly okay if you people are not new and already have some market experience. See, even this can work wonderfully if you people pay attention to the topics you already know. And if you are listening or learning, as you are listening and learning it for first time. So it's a gentle request from my side to you people that please be open to listen and learn the same topic which you know, which you already know, because you may get a different perspective. See, as you people are experienced now, as many of you are experienced ones, right? So what happens when you studied the same topic at first time or the basics at first time? That topic would be like a for a first time for you people, right? And now when you do the same thing again, this will give you some sort of different perspective. So the second time it would be a very good revision, and you will look the same thing with a different perspective. Believe me, every time I go through each and every topic, every time I learn something new from that. So if you will keep your mind open for that, this can be a positive side, and we can take advantage of that. Am I right? So I want those who are experienced ones, or those who are already, those who have already knowledge about the technicals, please keep your mind open, be open for learnings and listening the same topic. Definitely you will get something new from it, and by implementing it that in the right way, we'll get some sort of different results. So are you people ready for that? Yeah, am I audible to you all? So please make it an advantage. Okay, so don't think that these topics are same, or it has been revision for me, or I just will not focus on this because I already do know this. Please don't do that. Be open for each and everything what is going to whatever we are going to impart you in the for the next 21 days. Yeah, and after 21 days, I think you people will be mastered itself. And I want that each and every one would be a master from our batch. So let us go to today's agenda now. I think now all had joined the session. That's wonderful. So let's go with so this is today's agenda, welcome message. Phoenix Commodities, Introduction, Analysis and Self-Learning, Webinar Details and Communication Details. Okay. So first of all, welcome message. Now all of you are part of the Phoenix Commodities Batch 4 Telegram group, right? So you are the part of that group, and all of you, please take out some time and share your see, first of all, it's once again warm welcome to you all, and you have taken the perfect decision to invest in your learnings. So here, before going ahead, I will again like to tell you one thing, Girish sir, as you are telling, and many others would be the experienced ones like you. All of us, whenever we start something or whenever we look into markets and whenever we start our trading, we jump into trades like anything, and every time we think that we'll end up in profits, and we forget to invest in our learnings or in our knowledge, right? So it's not only for you. I think many of uh, your batchmates or almost all who are here would be going through the same thing. They will try to invest, they will get some sort of losses. Soon they will realize the importance of learning knowledge, and then they search for that, and they end up for some sort of learnings. Yeah, few of you would had even paid to tips providing services, right? So we are not at all into tips providing services. Yeah, we do share our research ideas in Genie, but it is just for that to show the power of technicals, how the technicals work, so that you people can go through that and can decide to invest in your learnings. And as you people are here, you people are at the perfect place. We ensure you, we at the Phoenix Commodities ensure you people this what we can see the perfect success. But yeah, definitely it can be achieved only by your support and dedication, right? But our motto is to educate traders and help them to minimize the losses and maximize the profit with the limited investment. So you are at the right place and you have taken the right decision to invest in your learnings. And we will try to provide everything one need to reach that trading potential. Okay. So again, forget your losses so far in the markets. Let's learn together. Forget whatever you had done before. Let's follow the discipline and sorry. And let's go ahead in the systematic manner, break the myth in the investment and the trading, and let's have a smooth ride of success. So all the negative things, whatever you have, just please throw it away. And with the great positive mindset, let's start our journey of this 21 days, or we can say 45 hours of training, right? Yeah, we have structured our each and every webinar or lessons in yeah, it would be interactive instructions, and a dedicated support will be provided to you people to make consistent profits in uncertain markets. And definitely your dedication and your hard work is must for the same. So once again, with a great positivity, let's start our batch 4. And as you are such a experienced one, sir, I expect plenty of knowledge from you, right? Girish sir, that's great. See, before going to this and this presentation, I'll go to the, yeah. Yeah, am I audible? I think in between, I think at a fraction of second it stopped. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So that's so now there's a Phoenix Commodities. Now all of you are aware about the Phoenix Commodities, and as plenty of you are from the stock Phoenix, so I don't need to give much introduction about the Phoenix Commodities, right? So let's go ahead. And as I told you, our mission is to educate investors and traders in the stock and commodity markets. We will try to transfer the complete knowledge what we have gained in the systematic approach. Okay, and every time we'll develop new strategies and techniques which will make you people to reach the next level. And yeah, we'll try to evolve ourselves as much as possible, and will impart you the same thing. Now we have already created a Telegram group for you people, and you are already added into that group. So once again, I will request all of you to introduce yourself in the channel. You just post your name, your city, profession, passion, and your journey towards Phoenix Commodities and commodities market. This to be done past completion of the today's session. So please do this. Now you people are just a close knit of the group where you people have the same motive, right? So please introduce yourself, start discussing everything, and as from Monday we'll start our learning session. Just try to impart as much as knowledge you people can, and try to achieve everyone's motto. Which address we must send? Means address means this is what I'm Praveen sir. Yeah, this is thing for what I want you people to post in the Telegram group of the batch 4. Are you added in the you are there in the batch group 4, right? There itself you introduce yourself after this. Yeah, exactly. Telegram group batch 4. Introduce yourself after this welcome class, and try at I want that each and everyone help each other, and all of us has the same motive, right? So be friends, share your journey, how you reach to Phoenix Commodities and how you reach to commodities market. Share your experience, whatever trades you had done, and impart knowledge. Yeah, that's it. Got it, sir? Now, as we are going to start our journey from Monday, learnings will complete only once you will do your homework from your end, right? We will try to give you the perfect right direction. We'll be giving lot of analysis to be done from your end. Okay, so I just request you all to please do your analysis, do your homework each and every before each and every session to make most of it. And please, general request, don't send any email to anyone's personal email IDs, because it is against our privacy policy. You can discuss whatever you want to discuss in the group itself. Okay, new link will be shared by tomorrow for the class starting from Monday onwards. You will get the new link. And the same link will be used to log in for the entire duration of the course. Learning everyday class will start from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Please, all of you take a note of this time. Okay, and we will start sharp 7:30 p.m. If there would be any variation, we'll let you know. We'll try to stick to the schedule on daily basis. If there is any change in the schedule, then we will intimate you people in advance. Each member will get unique ID to log in. Please do not share the link. So if you share the link, then your ID will be get locked and you will not able to log into the session. So please don't do that. Please follow the rules strictly, as if we follow the rules strictly, then only we will get an advantage of this, right? So please stick to this. You don't need to intimate us if you are not able to attend any of the class. All the class will be recorded and will be made available. So once we are done with our webinar, live webinar, as soon as it will get downloaded, we will upload on your dashboard. I'll just show you where it will get uploaded. So you don't need to intimate us. You can just go through the recorded session before another webinar. Please be disciplined and stick to the schedule so that you people can get most of it and we can see the results from you all. Yeah, recordings will be available in your website. As many of you are existing SP students, it won't be difficult for you, all right? And I just give, it's a gentle request from my side for the existing batch peoples to help the new ones to register if they have any other query. And anyways, our support team will be always there to guide you. Okay, you can watch the recorded session as per your convenience. Once the video is uploaded any number of times, you can observe the same video in next 1 year. And our batch students used to do this monthly or once in a month or twice in a month to revise the topics what we have learned in this 21 days, and that will help you all a lot. So please do that. Please don't waste a single thing what we are going to provide you. We have designed the course in such a way that it covers all the topics in the structured way. We have our commodities curriculum is designed in such a wonderful way that we cover from the basics, see by fundamentals of commodities, along with that basics of technicals to advanced level of technical analysis. See, I would like to share you one thing. When I was learning and when I was going through the complete process of my learning, I had never found such a course which was covering the fundamentals along with the basics of technicals and till the advanced level. And so for that reason, I have structured your course in such a way that you people can get a best of everything. So please support me for the same. Please try to be disciplined for this next 21 days and try to get, means just you need to be focused, you need to be disciplined, and you will get the best what is available. Means each and every day whenever we complete our one webinar, just revise that, just go through one recorded session, just note down the questions, whatever you have. Your queries are very important for us. Each and every query will be given the importance. Just come up with these queries for the next session and we will discuss the same query, and your single question can help the whole team, right? So please take this efforts. I want that you all take little bit of efforts and just to see that after 21 days there would be a magic, or the magic phase will start for your people. That's it. That's only the expectation which I have from you people. So take most of the course which we have designed, okay? And we'll cover the topics as per our schedule. We won't jump any topics. Now, once again, on Monday, I will show you the complete schedule of our topics. We'll go through few of the more points which we need to follow, or the rules which we need to follow this 21 days, and for the lifelong. Right now you people are going to be the group of for the lifelong, so we'll follow some rules, and we won't jump in any topics. We will cover each and every topics per the schedule. So just a gentle request to all of you that have patience and wait till the completion of the course. Once we are completed, you can ask us if any topics is missed out, and the schedule will be given to you people on Monday itself. Okay, Monday 7:30. And this is a request to all of you to join and logging in one single place. See, by it a laptop or a desktop or your mobile phone. Now see, it's for the new ones. I think existing XP students already know this. Please don't logging into multiple locations. Okay, say by if you are at your office or you're at workplace and you have logged in on your laptop. Now, if you are done with your work in your office, and if you are moving ahead to home, and when you are traveling, you are logging yourself for the webinar in the mobile, that's fine. But you will have to log off from your laptop and then you can log in from your mobile. Please don't do login with means the same ID at this with the same ID at both places simultaneously. We have trust on you and we believe that you will not be sharing the details to the third person. See, this is a paid webinar and you all have spent money for it, right? And you all will be having a right to watch this. Plus, so please don't do that, and just keep that on the point that, and we also have a system in place to capture the multiple logging so and sharing ID. So if on the same ID, if 2 to 3 people are joining for the live webinar, we will found them, your ID will be revoked and you will lose access to your system. And again, few other points I'll let you know. So please don't share the same thing with anyone. Yeah, and all are the proprietary material of Phoenix Commodities, and the compulsory has the right to sue if any found violation. Okay, so you can just go through the complete disclaimer in our website, and please do follow this strictly. Otherwise, we have a right to do so. Now, again, coming to our teamwork, see, the most important point of the webinar is a teamwork. Unless you all start to work as a team, we can't achieve a great success. So this gentle request, all of you to become one single team and win the show. I want that you all start sharing your knowledge and your experience, and let us rock together. One more request to install AnyDesk and TeamViewer software in your laptop, so or any desktop, so that our technical team will able to solve your issues if any, or if you are people would be facing any issues in connecting our webinar, it can be solved as soon as possible. Clear? Any queries for this? Thanks a lot, sir. So all the communication from our end will be made through the batch 4 Telegram group. We will share everything, whatever is there in our batch 4 group. Request all of you to be active in our group, okay? And please no good morning or any other wishes in the Telegram group, because here we have a group, we have made a group for the learning, so let it be it specific for that only. So all the students are requested to discuss only the market related in the Telegram channel and nothing else than that. No videos or pictures will be posted in the Telegram group. Group should be purely used for the educational purpose. And members can reach us, me, or any other of our support team via Telegram channel and a telephone for any clarification. We will provide you, we'll update a special Telegram link for you people. So what happens that sometimes we would be busy and we'll not able to look into all the chats in the group, right? So you can just post any queries in our Telegram ID, so that we'll look into that and will help you as early as possible. See, now actually we have more than 225 and it's highly impossible to reply each and every one. So please don't initiate the personal chat, and if you have any query, we'll provide you the Telegram ID. Please post your any queries over there. We'll answer you as early as possible. Yeah, and we have a strong team in place and they will cater all the members' requirement. So just to request you, I think existing ones are aware of all these things, to contact the above given communication mode. I'll just post you the communication mode. Don't worry for that, and we'll provide you on the Monday itself. Okay. So request all of you to have patience and wait till the completion of the course, right? And any other questions, any other queries you people have? Yeah, I'll just show you where you can connect to the dashboard. I'll just open one window, just a minute. See, this is the website where you can go. You will get a unique ID from our support team. Please take an ID for the support team. You will have to log in. Then just log in. And here you will get your dashboard. And on the dashboard, you will get all your videos. Okay. Yes, exactly. You will get a ID for your, see, here your videos will be uploaded in such a way. This way you can just open it and you can go through the videos which are recorded. Okay. This mail will be provided to you in the Telegram channel for joining the next webinar. And yeah, again, you will get along with this. See, you people will be part of the Masters channel. You people will be part of the Genie. You just start off your Genie, get the unique ID from our support team for and add yourself in Genie and Masters channel by Monday. Okay, for 2 months, it's totally free for you people. Yeah, it's an automated bot, so it's a free for you people for 2 months. So I think you should add yourself by Monday. Got it, Girish sir? Because it's a Saturday today, just add it yourself by Monday in Genie and Masters channel. It's a 60 days mail-in, sir. I think it's written in our website also. Please just go through that. Yeah. I think it's updated and it's a 60 days. Shubham sir. Okay. Exactly. I want you people, Girish sir, that's the spirit. I loved this spirit that you don't want to be dependent on masters or genie. This is what our people do. This is what they find their own levels. I don't need to show you our Telegram channel. I think you people would be looking into our free Phoenix Commodities channel every day, right? Every day there is some or other post. They are they are doing wonderful job. Each and everything will be taught to you people from scratch. From basic to advanced levels, you just needed to practice it and make most of it. See, now one more thing I like to share you people. uh, I don't want any distractions till 21 days of training. Just keep faith in me. Just believe me, we are going to rock it. It's okay if you only paper trade or trade with mini lots. Got it? This 20 days, what I want is that you people focus on your learnings. We have got our entire life to trade afterwards. Am I right? We need to always remember that this is not the last day of the market, right? So please don't jump into means don't jump when you are unprepared and lose money and get disappointed. If we prepare for it till we are satisfied with ourselves, then we trade, and even if we lose at that time, we at least will not repent that our efforts were half-hearted. Do you people agree with me? See, once we are prepared, once we work hard for our entry and exit, and even though if we fail somehow, this is a market and markets are supreme, definitely. So though if we fail, we will not repent ourselves that no, I have not given my 100%. What I want that you people give your complete dedication, give your 100% before your any entry and exit. So I just want you people to focus for this next 21 days. Yeah, and I ensure you that I will try to correct yourselves. Means wherever we are wrong or wherever we are getting wrong, so we'll try to get best of it, right? See, only few expectations I have from you people. I think you all of you had gone through our course curriculum, right, before joining Phoenix Commodities batch 4. Am I right? Please answer me fast. Yeah, will not take much longer now. You people can enjoy this weekend. Next weekend, I'm going to give you homework. Definitely, you will have to work for some time, right? So, all of you would had gone through our course curriculum. So, I don't need to explain that too in detail. Again, on Monday, I'll give you the complete schedule for the same. And all of you had gone through the Phoenix Commodities public channel. All of you already know this our accuracy. Am I right? Any one of you have any queries for that? Gini accuracy, how our people are working, batch 1, batch 2 and batch 3 performance. I think all of you are aware of that. Yes, and as all of you are aware of that, I'm not going through all that things as of now. And even today, I'm ensuring you that we are going to impart you all the knowledge to be a successful commodity trader for this 21 days. So before going ahead for that, or before starting our training from Monday, I'll just like to tell you that I have just few expectations from you people. First, I want your complete dedication. Yes, there is different Genie channel for commodities, Soumya sir. You don't know that? Soumya sir, can't you see the Excel sheet which is provided in this Phoenix Commodities free channel for Genie? I'm not opening Telegram. I think it will take time. Just go through that, sir. And please add yourself in Genie by Monday. All of you, please add yourself in Genie by Monday. Just Go through the trades given in Genie. Just go through how this commodity works. Just take out some time and just you can just go through that all things that how the trades or how the intraday trades are going ahead in Genie channel. So you will be added on Monday. You don't need to be not aware of Genie commodity, ma'am. Okay, meet sir. Once again, I will like to tell you all that a Genie research ideas is specifically where our there we have a one specific research team where me myself along with the complete research team along in my guidance they will provide you the Genie research ideas or the intraday trades. Okay, and the performance of Genie research ideas is yesterday itself, yesterday night it is posted in the public channel. Just go through the performance of the Genie research ideas. There we share our research ideas. It all we focus right now on the intraday trades in Genie. Another is a master's channel where master will share you the intraday trades. As of now, we are not focusing on the positional trades because of this geopolitical war and everything. I think Girish sir would be the right to comment on this. Am I right, Girish sir? As of now, anytime the Trump can tweet and the scenario can change in the commodities channel. So we don't focus on the positional trades. We just completely focus on the intraday trades as of now. We have a lot of news coming in globally. Exactly. As you are experienced ones, you would be knowing that right now why we are not focusing on positional trades. And anything can happen overnight. Exactly. That's the thing. So we are focusing on intraday trades and you will be added from Monday in Genie. Please make yourself add in Genie and Masters channel from Monday itself. Okay, and that would be free for you people for the next 2 months. And the Masters will share their research ideas. And Monday, I will let you know if you want to continue after 2 months with Genie, you can, Shubham sir. It's a minimum thing that you need to pay for it and you can continue as long as you want, Shubham sir. So you don't need to worry for that. Soon you will get everything. You can contact our support team for further information about Genie. That's fine. Yeah, for the continuation. Let us finish first this 2 months, Shubham sir. Yeah, exactly. That's great. So this is the way how we work, and we have your batch 4 group. Along with that, batch 3, batch 2, and batch 1 separate commodities group. So as I was telling you people that I have few expectations from you people from Monday onwards. Be dedicated, be disciplined, and be focused. Try to take most of what is going to impart. We are going to impart you from Monday. We will start from the fundamentals and the basic things, different types of orders and how we can get the benefit with the minimum investment in the commodities and further many things, right? So that's the first thing which I expect from you people. Second thing is the feedback. Whatever your feedback would be, positive or negative, I think you people had gone through the feedback in the public channel, right? It's a gentle request from my side. Just take out some time and provide your feedback. You can give your feedback from the very first day of our webinar that is going to start from Monday. This was just a welcome class to and even in the mid of the session and even in the end of the session. See why I am insisting this, because this is the only one thing which keep us going, right? And whatever your feedback would be, whether it would be positive or a negative, this will help us to improve ourselves. So please post your feedback when and whenever anytime whenever you feel for that. We'll be waiting for your feedback from Monday onwards. So this is the expectation from you people. One is your dedication and the second is that each and every one need to post that feedback. Yeah, and the third thing, please let us finish our 21 days webinar. Learn all the tricks and techniques to gain the highly profitable trades. After that, you can come out with your own other techniques or setup, but don't get confused until we finish everything, because after a lot of research we had came out with this curriculum, right? So I want that you focus on this curriculum for next 21 days. After that, you can come out with some new unique features or addition to this technical setup. See, each and every one will be having their own setup, and this would be a new setup for them, technical setup for them, and we can alter that technical setup. Definitely we can do that, but just do that after 21 days. So just try to get whatever we are going to impart you, or whatever knowledge we are going to impart you, just be focused on that for this next 21 days. That's it. Yeah, and one more thing, please spread a word about Phoenix Commodities with your friends. Ask them to join our channel. It would be a great help, right? And this was the dashboard logging. Any further queries, please? Yeah, thanks a lot. And once again, congratulating you all for joining the commodities batch, and we are definitely going to rock it. Yeah, if you have any further queries, you can ask me. Login ID will be given on Monday, right? Login ID, yeah, what's your question, sir? Ma'am, one more thing, I don't want to be part of Genie from Monday if I want to be add once our course is over. See, Shubham sir, I think many would be offering that. What I suggest, if you don't want to be part of a Genie for a first week, that's okay. You can be part of the Genie from the next week. Because why I suggest to join yourself in Genie, though you don't trade. See, by you take only trade virtually or trade with the mini lots, because along with our learnings, if you will do virtual trades or whatever the trades are given in Genie, how they are generated and how they act, that will help you to get prepared yourself for the uh, trading after a month. And see, this Genie is free for 2 months, right? So if you 1 month, if you do virtual trades, so next month is more than enough to recover your fees, Shubham sir, by trading on that. So if you will not get an idea how to see, trades is a different thing and the trading style is a different thing. That's what I'm going to teach you people from Monday onwards. Trading style is also very important. So all of you, please keep this thing in the mind, that you need to do virtual trading on the script which you are going to trade actually with your money. So you can start doing that after a week, and after a month you people will get that you people will generate the fees within the 15 days. Yes, one more question. Thanks to Bhupati Raja inspiring entire equity batch. That's wonderful, Narendra sir. He always says it's because of Hiral ma'am. Hope we are going to do the same. Definitely you are going to do the same. Definitely you are going to apply that. Will my learning on equity conflicts with commodity? As I told you, Soumya sir, if you are open and for the new learnings, then nothing is going to be conflict. Actually it will be an advantage to you, right? Let us convert our adversity into our advantage. That is just the mental block that we have. So that I just told you people in the very first welcome class that take out that mental block and come with the complete positivity for Monday itself. Nothing is going to conflict if you are prepared, right? Soumya sir, Login ID will be given to you from Monday, for the Monday class. Don't worry for that. Yeah, just we will convert it into your advantage. Now, when you are going to study the same topic again, see, some basics would be same for the equity, for the technicals I'm talking. Definitely fundamentals will be different in the commodities. Definitely the whole perspective of the trading style will differ in commodities than equity. So we will cover everything, we'll show you the difference, and the technical basics of the technicals would be repetitive. But again, when you are learning the same topic again, your perspective will change. So please come up with that and don't miss a single session. I want you people all to attend all the live sessions. Will you people do that? It's just a 7:30 to 9:30. I think you can manage it. Yeah, next 21 days. And if we'll not finish our session, we are not at all in hurry. I'll take as many sessions as you people require. So I think webinar batch 3 was completed. It took almost a month to complete. So that's okay. Depends on the situation, right? That's great. So shall I wind up for the day? Any other queries or any other questions I had missed to answer? Yeah, so please start working as a team from today itself. With the new spirit, let us start today's batch and have a wonderful learnings ahead. Yeah, you people don't need any prerequisite or any learnings before Monday's class. Okay, no homework this weekend. Just be fresh enough for Monday's class. That's it. Yeah, keep faith in us. We will start from the stretch, from the basic. Yeah, where everything will be covered. So don't worry, please. Yeah, Shubham sir, you can contact with support for anything, whatever queries you have, you can support contact with the support link. Yeah, see, looking forward a long journey with us SP team. Yeah, thanks a lot once again. Have a wonderful weekend and looking forward for a wonderful start at Monday evening 7:30 p.m. Okay. Yeah, thanks once again and a happy weekend. Just thanks a lot once again to all and happy weekend from me to every one of you.